called an AR rack, for the words adjustable rack. So if we would just walk over this way, on our adjustable racks, what we love to do is we place our viewport. Again, UVC does not penetrate glass. So you can look right into that viewport without any harm whatsoever. And of course, right here, we also have our UV light sticker. Now, we're going to bring it back on in here, and we're going to show why the safetiness of the kill switch on these doors is so important. So we're just going to open up this door. As you can see, the light is on, but as soon as I barely pull away, I don't even have a chance to have the light go around the cracks, and the system turns itself off. Right up here is our rocker door switch. So if I were to push this switch, I would actually turn this lamp back on. But here is what our adjustable rack system looks like. Here's the rocker switch that kills the power to keep us safe. Now I'm about to close the door and let you see this light come back on. And there our lights back on. All right, once again, in no case should you ever have the need for going inside of a chamber with the actual UVC lights still on. In no circumstances whatsoever should that be the norm. But if something strange happens and you need to go inside where UV is going to change the lamps or to quickly turn off, do something, then what you need to always have, if going to be exposed in any shape or form with the UV lights, are your gloves and then this safety shield, because the safety shield will not only protect your eyes, it'll also protect your neck. So what we're going to do is I'm going to force this lamp on. I pull it open. As you can see through the through our viewport, the lamp was off. Back on. As soon as I pull the door, it's off. But I'm going to reach over here. I'm going to push my switch. Like if my head accidentally hit it, the lamp will come on. Now, that's why you need to have the safety shield and gloves if you are in a position or a situation where you think you may be exposed, but this should not be happening. And I'll show you how to stop that. How to ensure that the UV light will never come on is whenever possible during installations, you want to put the main power onto the load side of the power so that you have the ability to turn, as with all units going into chambers, it says warning, make sure that your system is turned off before opening these doors. You're following the same protocols of any proper HVAC. So we're going to turn the power off, and the power is now off. Let's walk back over here and see what that happens to our chamber with our UV. Well, it seems like it's turned off over there now, doesn't it? So let me open this door real quick. All right. The lamp's still off, but let me try to force it on with my switch. I cannot force it on my switch like I did earlier because the power coming in to this unit is tied in with the disconnect. Let's see exactly what that looks like. So with our proper disconnect, our wire's coming in to our switch over there, and it's being fed into the load side off of our 120 or 240 transformer. And that is how you have a completely safe system. Now, one of the best parts of the design that we have on systems like this is all about operations and maintenance, and the maintenance on this is utilizing what we call the slide out racks for the ease of lamp replacement. So we've seen inside earlier. Now, here we go with what this lamp replacement is going to really look like. Again, my light is on until I pull the door open. Once this door is open, all I have to do to change out the lamp is, let's come around here and I'm going to show you where my little grabber is. So I just reach my hand up here, right here's my little handle, and I just pull it straight on out. Coming straight on out, I've got 3 lamps in here total. All right, and I can put her right there and I can take out my lamps. It just comes right out. And then the lip, let me show you exactly how to change out these lamps. So this little lip right here, this lip here is going to get connected to the little tab right here. So that little tab right there is your guide. And so what you want to do is you just come up about a 33-degree angle, catch it, and see how my fingers are on the top. And I just hear the click, click, and I put it right back in. The other most important thing that you need to see is if you turn a corner here, you're going to see our lamp, our last lamp way in the back there. All right. Now this is only a 3-lamp system, but we've had very large systems, larger than this. So what I want you to see now is watch how my right hand, I just come in, I reach down, press my little button, I pull out my quick disconnect. Now that I have my disconnect out, I'm able to take the whole system out. Even though I got there we go. So now the whole system is out. I just changed my lamps out like I showed you. And this is where this 3-lamp system is easily maintained. If I ever have to take anything out or change out ballasts, whatever needs to be done, I'm able to take it completely out. Now that we're ready to place it back with our new lamps, all I have to do is I come in, put her back into the sliding rack, and slide her on back. Once I've got her slid to the back, come down again. On our quick disconnect, you'll see this side here with our basically where you place your finger to do the push. It's like the little hump. As you look down at the bottom here, you'll see my little tab part that's sticking out. So you just need the hump and the tab to line up. And you come in, click it in. And that's how you do your lamp replacement and get power back to it. So let's make sure everything's still operational. We would go turn it back on, close the door, and our lights are back on. And that's how you do your lamp replacement and check to make sure through your viewport that all the lamps are working.